And the question that always comes up during AEP is, how are Medicare mailers affected and how are other mailers affected? Medicare is affected dramatically during the annual enrollment period when we're talking about direct mail lead generation does not pull as well in October and November as it does in September, and even better in August. But the other product lines, final expense, annuities, even mortgage protection does get leads from the senior population. We know seniors respond to the mortgage protection mailers that we do. And during September, October, and November, all of those products see a decline in the response percentages. So understanding that and making sure that our customers know that well in advance so they can time their mailings properly. Do they want to do more in August? Do they want to do mail in October? It's not our job to tell them they can't mail, but make sure they understand what will happen if they put those marketing dollars to October or November. If you're not going to be doing mail in November, that's going to leave December. And once we get to December, the best time to mail is right after Christmas.